Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Papa, enna vaingiri.
So please listen here. Last working day means yesterday I gave you 4 questions, no? So that we will discuss now. So no need to write that. I will send the same in the group after the class. So today, first of all, we will discuss the questions which I sent yesterday. Okay, after that we will move to the new topic. So please listen. Okay, no need to take the notebook now. Now you can listen here.
Notebook.
Now let me share the screen.
Book, maths test.
No need to write now. Please listen. Last day I gave the first question.
Ma'am, now last 38 from 19.
It's Q.
38
It was
from 19.
38 minus 19. Please be quiet. Okay. Now I will call out the name and he or she will help me to complete it. Okay. Now Ivania Brighto, please help me to complete the question, complete the answer. Here we have 38 minus 19. So what is the first step?
T-O.
We have to write the places. So it's a 2-digit number, so having tens and ones places. Now, which is the first number?
38.
Second number?
19.
19. Now, at ones place, you can see 8 minus 9. Is it a possible 8 minus 9?
No.
No. So we have to regroup the tens place. So at the tens place, you can see the number 3. Now 3 tens is ready to share 1 10 with the 1 space. So 3 tens will become how many tens, Ivania? 3 tens will become?
13.
3 tens will become 2. 2 tens.
2.
Okay, 2 tens. Then 8 getting 1 10. 8 is at the 1 space and 8 getting 1 10. So 8 plus 10? 18. So this will become 18. Now we can continue the subtraction. Now 18 minus 9. What is the answer? 18 minus 9, Ivania? We can open our fingers. 9 can become 18. So how many fingers we have to open? After 9?
10,
Uh,
11, 12, 13, 14,
15, 16, 17.
17,
So how many fingers we open?
9.
9. But the answer 9. So that 9 you can write here. At the 10 space it is 2 minus 1. What is the answer? 2 minus 1, Ivania?
3, 1,
2 minus 1.
1.
1. So the answer is 19. Now, no need to take the notebook and write. These questions I already given last day. Just we are discussing the answers. So please be quiet. Let's move to the next one. R. And the question I given last day it was 93 minus 57. 93 minus 57. Now, Maithili, please unmute and help me to complete the answer. The first step, we have to write the places. It's a 2-digit number, so we can write places, tens and ones. Others, please be quiet. Maithili, which is a bigger number here?
93.
Yeah, it's 93. So you can write the number 93. Below 93, we can write the number
57.
57. Let's put the minus symbol. At 1 space, it is 3 minus 7. Is it possible 3 minus 7?
No.
No. So we have to regroup the 10 space. Here at the 10 space, we can see 9 tens. So 9 tens is ready to share 1 10 with 1 space. So 9 tens will become
30.
9 tens will become
8.
8 tens. Now 3 is getting 1 10. So 3 will become 13. So it will be 13. Now we can continue the subtraction. Now 13 minus 7. What is 13 minus 7, Maithili? 7 can become 13. So after 7?
6.
After 7, 8, 9,
8.
10,
9. 10. 11.
11, 12.
30.
How many fingers you open? How many fingers? 6. So the answer is 6. So you can write the answer here 6. Now at the 10th place it is 8 minus 5. What is the answer? Say 8 minus 5.
3.
3. So the answer is 36. Now we will move to the next one. That is S. And I given 80 minus 69. No, right now, please listen. Okay, please listen here. Megadarsh, please unmute and help me to complete the answer. Here 80 minus 69. So let's write the places. Both are two-digit numbers, so having two places, tens and ones. It's a bigger number, Megadarsh.
80.
80 is the bigger number. Let's write the bigger number. So 80. Now, smaller number,
69.
69. At one space here we have 0 minus
Please go up.
0 minus 9 is possible.
0 minus 9.
0 minus, can we do 0 minus 9?
No.
No, can't do. Who is calling? I already told you no need to write now. Please listen. 0 minus 9 is not possible. So we have to regroup the tens. At the 10 space it is 8 tens. 8 tens. So 8 tens is ready to share 1 10 with the 1 space. So 8 tens will become how many tens?
7.
7 tens. Now 0 is getting 1 10. So 0 plus 10. What's the answer? 0 plus 10.
Then 1.
0 plus 10. When we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. 10 itself. So 0 will become 10. Now we can continue the subtraction. 10 minus 9. What is the answer, Megadarsh? 10 minus 9.
1.
1. Now 10 space it is 7 minus 6. What's the answer? 7 minus 6.
7 minus 1, 2, 3.
7, 6 can become 7 now if you are giving 1. So again 1. So the answer is 11. Okay, thank you. Now one more question I given, that is T, and that is 65 minus 38. Edalan, will you help me to complete the answer? Edalan?
Yes.
Okay, Edalan, tell me the answer. Okay, here we have two-digit numbers having the places tens and ones. So let's write it tens and ones. Now, which is the bigger number here, Edel?
5.
Which is a bigger number?
5.
65. Now, smaller number? 38. Now we can do the subtraction. Now, at one space, it is 5 minus 8. Is it possible 5 minus 8?
No.
It's not possible. So we can regroup the 10 space. 10, we can see the digit 6. So 6 tens is to share 1 10 with 1 space. So 6 tens will become
5.
5 tens. Now, at one space, 5 getting 1 10. So 5 plus 10. What is the answer? 5 plus 10?
T.
15. So 5 will become 15. Now we can continue the subtraction. And here we have 15 minus 8. What is 15 minus 8? It can become 15. So after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what's the number?
7.
7. So we can write the number 7 here. Now at the 10 space, 5 minus 3. What is the answer? 5 minus 3?
2.
2. Very good. So the answer is 27.
27.
Okay. So these are the questions I gave you last day. Now all of you please listen. So the same question and answers I will send after the group, after the class. Now please listen. Okay. Please listen. These questions. Henry Baiju made the clock. Okay. Very good. What's the time, Henry?
6 o'clock.
Yes, it's 6 o'clock. Okay, very good. Anyone else? No. Okay, we'll mark here. Okay, Henry. Okay, now please listen. So we completed.
Next class I also bring a
Yes, Rehan?
Ma'am, Agnes show in yesterday class.
Agnes showed me yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
The clock?
Yes.
Okay. Now, you please listen here. So, now you understood how to subtract the two-digit numbers with regrouping. Okay. Now, today we are going to move to the new topic, means related to the subtraction itself. That is very simple. Subtraction of two three-digit numbers without regrouping. Without regrouping. So, there is no regrouping here. It's very simple. Okay. Now, I will explain with one example. Then I will give you questions for doing. Okay. So let me share the screen. Please listen.
Ma'am, I know 3 digits.
No need to write now. No need to write now. Please listen. So here we have subtraction of
Minus.
two three-digit numbers. Pratana is no. Pratana know this. That's only not telling. Very good. Now you please listen here. The question is
I know.
143 minus 141. 943 is a three-digit number. 141 is also a three-digit number. Okay, the first step. What is the first step? We will mark the places. It's a three-digit number. So how many places will be there, Rehan, Hanifa? How many places are there for a three-digit number? How many places are there?
10. 2.
How many places are there for a three-digit number?
1.
There are three places. Yes, three places. The places are ones, tens, hundreds. Okay, 100. Now we can write these numbers according to their places. And here we have the first number 943. See, 943 minus 141. Here it is without regrouping. So no need to leave the line. Directly we can write below the places. And here we have 9 hundreds, 4 tens, 3 ones minus 141. 100, 4 tens, 1 1. Now we can do the subtraction. Always we have to start from which place? One place. So here we have 3 minus 1. At ones place here we have 3 minus 1. What's the answer? 3 minus 1?
802.
3 minus 1. What's the answer? 2. Very good. Now, tens place 4 minus 4. Subtracting a number from itself. What is the answer? 4 minus 0. Now, hundreds place, it is 9 minus 1. When we subtract 1 from a number, what will be the answer? Number just be. So, 9 minus 1, the answer is 8. Okay. 2. The answer is 802. So, let's write in the notebook. Please take the notebook, all of you.
I took it.
Okay, good. So we can write at the top, subtract
3-digit number.
BTRACT. Subtract.
What is the spelling of subtract? Number. Fresh page.
Yeah, you can take a fresh page. You can take a fresh page.
Ma'am, I
Topic.
can see your link.
Rehan Hanifa facing network issue. That's why it may come after some time.
Subtraction.
Subtract 3-digit numbers without regroup.
I can see. Ma'am, I can see the board.
You are facing network issue. That's why I will send the notes in the group. That's all I can do. Subtract 3-digit numbers without regrouping. SUBTRACT. Subtract 3-digit numbers without WITHOUT, without regrouping. REGROUPING. Regrouping.
May I finish? Completed.
So I will give you questions because it's very easy for you, no? Without regrouping. So I will give you the questions, you do it. And here we have the first one. Abhinav MP, did you write the heading?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So let me write the first question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
41 from, just now we completed, no? 141 from 943.
141.
From 943. So you can do by yourself. Please do it.
Ma'am, what's the number?
The first step. What is the meaning of this? 141 from 943.
Minus
43 minus 100.
102. Ma'am, the
Yes, Sarah?
One
One at a time. One at a time. Okay, tell me.
141.
Yes. 943 minus 1. Now you can complete the subtraction. Okay, 802. It's okay, it's okay. I will write the next question. Some are still writing, let them complete. Yes, it's 802. Now please be quiet. Those who have completed, please be quiet.
I want out.
First step, we have to the places. See, both are 3-digit numbers, no? So we have to write places.
Sarah, some doubt.
So here we have the places, ones, tens, hundreds. Now here the bigger number. Abhinav MP, which is a bigger number here?
90, 100,
900 and 43. Very good. Now smaller number. Abhinav.
141.
141. Now we can do the subtraction. Okay. Start from the ones place. Abhinav, tell me the answer. 3 minus 1. What is answer, Abhinav? 3 minus 1.
2.
2. Very good. Good boy. Now tens place 4 minus 4. What is answer? 4 minus 4, Abhinav? 0. Now hundreds place 9 minus 1. What is answer? 9 minus 1. Before number. Before 9 we have?
10.
Before. 10 is after, no?
8.
8. Very good. So the answer is 802. Good boy. Now I will write the question B here. Leave some space at the middle and write the question. B here we have 262 from. Please write the question and answer. 262 from 496. Do it. 262. 262 from 496.
One more time.
262. 262 from 496.
234.
Yes, your answer is correct.
234. Ma'am, one more time.
262. 262 from 496. 496.
Malayga finish.
Tell me the answer, Malavika.
234.
Very good. Your answer is correct.
And the answer is 334.
300 or 200? Ayush?
334.
234. Ayush, please help me to complete the answer. Others, please be. Ayush, please turn on the video.
I cannot turn on the video, ma'am.
So, will you help me to complete the answer?
Okay.
Okay. So, first step, we have to write the places. So, here, how many places are there?
Hundreds times ones.
Very good. Now, which is a bigger number?
496.
Okay. Now, smaller number?
262.
So, we have to start from the subtraction from
Ones.
ones. 6 minus 2. What is the answer? 6 minus 2.
4.
Tens place. 9 minus 6. Ayush, 9 minus 6. 3. Hundreds place. 4 minus 2. Eh? 4 minus 2. What is the answer?
2.
2. So the answer is 234.
234.
34. Okay. Okay, good boy. Now I will write the C and D here. C, 795 minus 462. Please write the question and solve. 795 minus 462. 795 minus 462.
Answer is 333.
Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. 333. Good, good. So let's wait for the others. Let them complete. After that, we can move to the next one. Siddharth, did you got the answer?
Excuse me,
It is very clear. Will you help me to complete the answer, Siddharth? Yes. Now, here we have 795 minus 462. How many places are there for a 3-digit number?
And that page. And the answer is 333.
Yes.
100.
Very good. Hundreds, tens, ones. Now, which is the bigger number here?
And that
Which is the bigger number?
795.
795. Small
Answer is
number.
333.
Others, please be quiet. Siddharth, which is the smaller number?
462.
Okay, now we can continue the subtraction. We have to start from which place? We should start from which place, Siddharth?
One space.
One space. And here we have 5 minus 2 at one space. What's the answer? 5 minus 2. Siddharth, 5 minus 2. What's the answer?
3.
3. Very good. Now, 10 space 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. What's the answer?
0.
3 again. Okay. Now, 7 minus 4. What's the answer? 4 can become 7. It will get a 3 itself. So the answer is 333. What's read the number name?
333.
Very good. 333. Good boy. Now I will write G here. Now the question is 468 minus 243. Please do. 468 minus 243.
Madam, one more time.
468. 68 minus 243.
243. 7.61. Answer 5. Answer is 225.
Yes, very good. The answer is correct.
Ma'am, one more time. Finish it.
Okay, what's the answer, Malavika?
225.
20?
And one more time.
25. 220. Very-
225.
Okay, good, good, very good. Arati, will you help me to complete the answer? Arati, will you help me to complete the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, others, please be quiet. Now here we have 3-digit numbers. So how many places are there, Arati? How many places are there? Arati, unmute and tell me.
Ma'am, the answer is 225.
There are 3 places. Which are the places?
Ones, tens, and hundreds.
Ones, tens, hundreds. Now, which is a bigger number here?
468.
468. What about smaller number?
243.
Now, we have to start from which place? The answer, subtraction,
One place.
1 space. 8 minus 3. What's the answer to 1 space? 8 minus 3.
8.
3 can become 8. So, after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers you open?
5.
Very good. Now 10 space it is 6 minus 4. 4 can become 6. So after 4, 5, 6. How many fingers?
3.
Eh? Once again. After 4, 5, 6. So how many fingers?
2.
2. Now 100 place 4 minus 2. Again. 2 can become 4. So after 2.
3, 4.
Very good. So the answer is
200 and
200 and
225.
very good. The answer is 225.
Thank you, ma'am.
Others, you got the answer, the same answer, 225.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me give you 2 more questions.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's move to E. When I will send the notes, I will give you 4 more questions. You can complete it later. Okay. Now here we have E. And the question is 967 minus 743. Solve it. 967 minus 743.
One more time. Ma'am, Marin got answer is
What's the answer, Marin?
224. Ma'am, answer is 224.
Yes, it's 224. Very good.
And the answer is 2. Completed. And the answer is 224.
Yes, 224. Karthik, please turn on your video and tell, will you help me to complete the answer? Karthik?
Excuse me, ma'am. Please mute everyone.
Karthik, will you help me to complete the answer? Karthik is not responding. Risa Nasmiya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the first step? How many places are there for a 3-digit number? How many places are there, Risa? Now, which are the places? Risa, which are the places? Ones, tens, hundreds. Risa, please turn on your video and please tell me. Please unmute, my dear. Unmute.
Number answer 224.
So here, which is a bigger number, Risa?
967.
Very good. 967. Now, smaller number?
743.
743. I asked Risa. Others, please be quiet. 743. Now, Risa, while doing subtraction, from which place you have to start? One space. Now, 1
965.
minus 3. What's the answer, Risa? 7 minus 3? 7 minus 4. Now, 10 space we have 6 minus 4. What's the answer, Risa? 6 minus 4? 2. 100 place 9 minus 7. What's the answer? 2. So what is 2 to? We will read 2 to 224. Good. Ayush, please be quiet. Okay. All of this answer. So you one more. Let me give you one more. Yes. So here we have 838. 838 minus 210. Do it. 838 minus 210.
8 minus 210. Answer 110. 1 more time say 128.
Okay, good. 628. Krishna Priya, will you help me to complete the answer? Krishna Priya. Yes. See here, 838 minus 210. Both are 3-digit numbers. How many places are there, Krishna Priya?
Yes, ma'am.
There are 3 places. Which are the places?
100 tens ones.
Very good. It's hundreds, tens, and ones. Hundreds, tens, and ones. Now, which is the bigger number here?
838.
Smaller number?
210.
Now, we have to start from which place?
Ones place.
Now, at ones place here, 8 minus 0. What's the answer? 8 minus 0. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the same number. So 8 minus 0. What's the answer?
8.
8. 10 space 3 minus 1. What's the answer? 3 minus 1.
3 minus 1. 2.
2. 100 space 8 minus 2. What's the answer? 8 minus 2.
6.
Krishna Priya? 8 minus 2. What's the answer?
6.
6. So what is the number? You got it. Read the number name.
628.
628. Yes. The answer is 628. Okay. So when I send the notes, I will give you 4 more questions. Please solve it. Okay. Write in the notebook and do it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, today has this small questions only. Ma'am, one more question.
It's time to end the session, my dear. Now having only 1 minute. So I will send some more questions in the.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
So you can complete it.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Bye.
So we will meet in the next class.
Bye.
Okay. Bye. See you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank